Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Civil with Sudhir. So myself Sudhir Jirubhai. So today in this video we are discussing about SSC JEE 2019 general awareness, how to study for general awareness and what are the important topics we have to study to clear our exams and what are the topics in previous year questions they have asked. So yesterday I have made a video on the exam date. Already exam date is came. Okay, 1 minute. Right, so already exam date is came, that is 1/9/2020 is the exam date, right? 1. So you have 3 months for the preparation, right? So it is a big 90 days plan you have to make, and within few days I will upload the 90 days plan for all of you, right? How to study and how to manage the time also. So that is also important. So उसका भी मैं separate video बना दूंगा 90 days में आपको study कैसे करना है ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಯಾವ ಥರ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದನ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಟುಡೇ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಜನರಲ್ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಅವರ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಲೈಕ್, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೇರ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ as well as your friends as well as relative who require this one. Okay, let's begin. So first understand, so what is the pattern of the junior engineering exam, right? That is junior engineering civil, mechanical as well as electrical and the quantity surveying got contract examination. That is we have total 2 पेपर. यहाँ पे 2 पेपर रहते हैं, आप सबको मालूम है. जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग. जनरल इंटेलिजेंस इज 50 मार्क्स and general awareness is 50 marks. Okay, this is for 100 marks and your first paper is 200 marks, right? Your first paper is 200 marks and paper 2, if you qualify paper 1, then you will qualify for paper 2, that is a descriptive paper like your university exam, that includes all the syllabus. They have already, I have made in the I button, you have the syllabus of SSC JEE. Please go through that one, you will get all the syllabus of the first paper, prelims paper. So this is about the pattern of the examination. In a brief I have just discussed. Now what are the important subjects? You have total technical subject, right, and the reasoning part as well as GE, right? These are the 3 important ones. So technical is 100 marks and this is 50 marks and this is also 50 marks. So we are discussing this one. Reasoning, if you want I will make separate video. Okay, reasoning चाहिए तो separate video बना दूंगा, right? Okay, so today's first important topic is, the important subjects are, that is first one is science. Major questions they will ask from the science only, right? Maximum 10 to 15 or sometimes they have asked up to 20 questions, means 20 mark questions. They have asked 20 questions on science only, right? And next is current affairs, right? Current affairs, what are the different current affairs in national or international? And next subject is history, and next is static GK and polity. Okay, in depth I will tell you what are the different topics you have to study and how you have to study about that one, right? So these are the major important, right? Except these, some other important subject also there. Economics, they will ask 1 or 2 questions sometimes, right? Economics, on economics also they will ask some questions, 1 or 2 questions. Okay, next. Okay, first one is science. In science, what different topics you have to study, or we can say the subjects. So 3 major, that is physics, biology and chemistry. In physics what you have to study? For example, just I have for your reference I have written units and systems. For example, if you have a work, what is work, what are the definitions of work, right? And what are the units of the work, and what are the different international system, MKS system, CGS system, okay, and their different units. So like this you have to study for the physics, right? And some laws also very important, very important, and some observations, what are the different derivations and their formulas. Okay, फार्मूला भी important है आपके लिए फिजिक्स में और बायोलॉजी में भी और केमिस्ट्री में भी. फिजिक्स में देखिए आपको क्या है, जो भी फिजिक्स आपको इजी जाएगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा आपको फिजिक्स या बायोलॉजी से क्वेश्चन आएगा. देखिए फिजिक्स से अभी क्वेश्चंस रेड्यूस हो गए हैं, ठीक है? They have reduced the questions from the physics, they will give only 1 to 2 questions. But Biology they may asking 6 to 7 questions, and chemistry they are asking again 6 to 7 or 8 to 7 questions. So totally from the science they are asking 10 to 15 questions. Sometimes they have asked more than 20 questions. So it is very important. Please don't neglect this part. Don't neglect the science part. You have to very important. This is very important for SSC JE. Okay, SSC JE, because the most of your general awareness will cover by the science only. So for the study you have to take CBSE any book, right? CBSE book or any standard book you may refer. For books, for standard books you can refer any GK book, right? It is sufficient for your study, or else you have to refer the CBSE. Okay, and in biology what are the important points like vitamin? Okay, vitamin deficiency, what are the different diseases it will come, so that will come in the biology. Biology में ये सब आता है. So chemistry, in chemistry for example important is periodic table. So what are the periodic table and their numbers and their formulas, as well as some different chemicals. For example, what is the different chemicals that is released in Bhopal gas tragedy, right? Like this question they may ask in chemistry also. Some in the GK question also they may ask on the chemistry also, right? So ये important है, that is biology as well as the chemistry. So totally 10 to 15 questions from the science. Okay, so this is about the science part. Very important point, right? So physics they may nowadays they are reducing the questions, but still you have to study about some basic points, right? What are the basic points? Up to 10th you have to study, right? Up to 10th, or you can say up to junior engineer level you can study, but 10th is sufficient because they will ask the questions on the 10th level only. Okay, next we will go, that is the current affairs. Very important. Current affairs. In current affairs they will ask 5 to 6 questions. Current affairs they will ask 5 to 6 questions. On the current affairs we can divide in two parts, that is in national as well as international. So what is the difference between there is national and international means? National means what are the different states and their what have they have launched the different apps, as well as what are the different schemes, that is in the national, right? That is in the state also, right? I will write here, 1 minute. Schemes of different states. Applications, what are the different apps or applications, helpline numbers, right? And some innovation, some innovative ideas, or GI tag we can say. What are different GI tag and which state got the GI tag? Like these questions they may ask, right? Geographical indication tags, like this they will ask from the current affairs, that is from the national level, right? So for the international level, right, that is, and in the national level there may be some other points also, that is sports and awards and important events. Events is nothing but that is important for our cultural development as well as our development of the country, right? So that those are the important events we have to remember. And the place, important events is with the places. Sports and award means in Olympics as well as cricket, any game, right? Who got awards as well as who are in the first. That is very important in the sports and awards. And in the international level, right? In the international, MOUs you have to remember. MOU is nothing but memory of understanding between the different countries, right? Either it may be India or China or any country, right? So those are important for the international, right? And that may be in the security or in the development or in the any type of development they will sign for the MOU. Okay, and next one is military exercise. देखिए मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज में क्या है, बाहर के जो कंट्री वाले रहते हैं वो इंडिया में आके एक्सरसाइज करते हैं या उनके साथ कुछ मिलके नए जो है एक्सरसाइज करते हैं. ठीक है, एक्सरसाइज मीन्स वो नहीं है, उनका कोऑर्डिनेशन उनका क्या है, वो कैसे करते हैं, उनका जो टेक्निक्स रहते हैं वो सीखते हैं. दे विल लर्न द टेक्निक्स ऑफ डिफरेंट मिलिट्री एक्सरसाइज. सो दे विल दिस 1 or 2 questions definitely they will ask from this question. Okay, from this topic. right? This is about the international level, that is MOUs and military exercise. Okay, so current affairs majorly they will ask for 5 to 6 questions, or sometimes they may increase or decrease, it depends, but average I am saying 5 to 6, it may increase up to 8 also. Okay, understood about the current affairs? If you have any doubt about the science and the current affairs, right? Clear? Science is 10 to 20 questions or 20 to 50, and current affairs is 5 to 6 questions. Clear? Okay, let's move to the next topic or next subject, that is history. See, in the history you have 3 major important topics, that is modern, medieval and ancient. So nowadays they are only asking maximum questions from the modern, right? So if they are asking 6 to 8 questions, means 4 questions they will ask from the modern history, and medieval history they may ask 1 or 2 questions, on ancient history they may ask 1 or 2 questions. It depends on the exam center, right? Most of the questions they will ask from the modern. So in modern history, you know what, that is 1857 दंगा जब हुआ था 1857 में, freedom struggle, right? Gandhi, important about Gandhi ji, right? Gandhi ji and their freedom fights, what are the different meetings, right? And after getting the freedom, what are the important next steps they have taken, that is also very, very important in modern history. Okay, up to our 1947 you have to study, right? So this is about the history. Modern is very, very important. They may ask 5 questions, maximum 5 questions, 1 or 2 questions, 1 question or 2 questions. So totally on an average you will get 6 to 8 questions. Sometimes they may increase. Okay, up to 9 questions they have asked. Previous year they have asked up to 9 questions. Okay, this is about the history. History just आपको क्या है याद रखना है points, और years important है. Okay, important wars are very, very important, right? And their date, right? कब हुआ वो dates आपको याद रखना है. You have to remember the dates of the different wars. Okay, let's move to the next topic, that is static GK. Right? In static GK, this is also very, very important. Sorry friends. देखिए स्टैटिक जीके में बहुत सारे क्या है टॉपिक्स है. देर इज अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन स्टैटिक जीके, बट जस्ट आई हैव लिस्टेड सम मेजर इंपॉर्टेंट, very important points or very important topics I have just list out for you guys. Just you can see this one. First one is country and capital and currency. Country, capital and currency. So country is meant, for example, South Africa. What is the capital of South Africa and what is the currency of South Africa? Like this question they may ask. Okay, for example, Dubai, right? So what is the currency of Dubai and what is the capital of Dubai, right? So this is the same question they are asking. So this is also very important for the static GK. Static GK के लिए ये important है, country, capital and currency. Next है national parks. Okay, so in national parks यहाँ पे क्या है, नेशनल पार्क में देखिए टाइगर रिजर्व रहता है, राइट? टाइगर रिजर्व, बियर रिजर्व, सेपरेट स्पेशल रहता है. ओके, देयर इज इन स्पेशल parks or national parks for different animals as well as for the different. Okay, that you have to remember with the place. Where is the place of this national park? In which state it will come, right? In which area it will come? That also you have to remember in the national park. Okay, so this is a currency, capital and national park. Next one is wildlife sanctuaries. Okay, wildlife sanctuaries also same as a national park, but as an importance, how you will get, क्या क्या इम्पोर्टेंस है उसके ऊपर वो वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरीज को लिस्ट आउट है, उसमें आपको जाके स्टडी करना होगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वन इज इम्पोर्टेंट डेज, राइट? वुमेन्स डे, मेंस डे, ओके, चिल्ड्रंस डे, ओके, डिफेंस डे, आर्मी डे, राइट? ये सब जो इम्पोर्टेंट है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट डेज, दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी some important days that you have to remember, right? Labor's Day, right? Science Day, as well as some they may celebrate different type of days, right? Some important days you have to remember. Okay, if you want to know what type of important days they have asked, just go through our previous year question paper. If you will get the idea about the important days. Okay, next is books and authors. Right. So books and authors, either they again in this they may ask either national or international. You have to study both. Right. Okay, these are the different topics. You can study or you can skip, but sometimes they are making reverse. Instead of asking 6 to 7 questions, they are asking 15 questions in the GK only. Okay, so in that condition you can't answer. So that's why I am telling you. Okay, उसके लिए आपको स्टैटिक जीके भी पढ़ना है. स्टैटिक जीके में आपको पढ़ना है, इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट देखिए मिनरल्स. मिनरल्स का मीनिंग क्या है? आयरन. आयरन और कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलता है? ओके, आयरन का माइनिंग कहाँ पे करते हैं? आयरन आपको कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मिलता है? इंडिया में. ठीक है. उसके बाद गोल्ड है. गोल्ड का माइनिंग कहाँ पे करते हैं? वेयर यू विल माइन द गोल्ड एंड वेयर यू विल गेट द गोल्ड माइनिंग, राइट? Stones, different type of lignite, cement, like this. So different minerals, right? And their places, respective places and state. Very, very important, because these questions, they are nowadays they are replacing different questions. And in me, one more point I want to tell you, different important foods also you have to remember. Food, right? Food production, right? For example, maximum sugar, where in which state maximum sugar will produce in the India? This is a question, right? This type of question also you have to remember. Okay. Next is nuclear power plants, right? Where the nuclear power plant established, any nuclear power plant they have established new or any old one. Is there any controversy between that nuclear power plant? Those all point you have to remember, right? And you have to study, and you have to remember the nuclear power plant names with the state and place. Okay. Next is folk dance and classical dance. This is very, very important, right? So all the state have their different folk as well as classical dancers, right? States have folk dancers and classical dance having some fixed names. That names you have to remember. In the classical dance as well as folk dance. And the next one is important dams and rivers. Important dams and rivers. You have to remember the river system, from which point the river is starting and in which point it is ending, and what are the different states it's covering. Okay, and major river constructed on the river, that is bank of any rivers, and the dams, right? So dams constructed on major river, that also very, very important. Nowadays they are asking this type of question also. Okay, and last one is important institutions and their headquarters, right? Important institutions and their headquarters. For example, RBI, right? RBI is an head of all the banks in our India, right? Where is the headquarters of RBI? Right, like this question they may ask. Headquarters of RBI is in Mumbai, right? So like this they may ask the different institutions. Not only RBI, they may ask any type of questions on the institutions, right? And with their headquarters. So this is about the static GK. So these all are important topics according to my knowledge, as well as when I go through the question paper, I got these important topics related to you. Okay, right? And the next topic is polity. In polity, right? Polity is nothing but constitution, संविधान, right? संविधान में आपको first पढ़ना है article. First you have to study the articles, right? So you have directive principles, right? You have citizenship, right? And you have different freedom. Sorry friends. So you have different articles, right? So that articles you have to remember. They may ask any type of article, right? You need not to be study all the articles. Some important you can go through any video or any. I will make, if you want I will make. Don't worry, right? Important articles only I will make. Next is schedules of constitutions. What are the different schedules? Schedules क्या क्या है? ठीक है, total 12 schedules है. उसमें क्या क्या है आपको वो सब पढ़ना है शेड्यूल्स, ठीक है। सो सैलरी कैसे देते हैं, सैलरी को कैसे ये करते हैं, वो सब क्या है शेड्यूल्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है। नेक्स्ट है लोकसभा, राज्यसभा एंड संसद, ये इंपॉर्टेंट है, राइट। दिस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज इन लोकसभा, राज्यसभा एंड संसद you have to study the powers, what are the different powers of MP, MLA, right, that member, and what are their powers, what is their duration, what is the minimum age required for becoming a Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha member, or what is Sansad, what are the different powers of Sansad. So all these points you have to study in the polity, right. So all these points, that is Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and what are the constitution, and next one is emergency with article, emergencies, okay. We have state emergency, we have financial emergency, right. Like this we have to total 3 emergencies: state emergency, central emergency, or country emergency, or financial emergency, right. So these articles, that is 352, 356, 360, I think you already know, right. So these are the different articles. So what are their importance, when they can use, how can they use, right. Is that using some different different powers for the president, right. So that we have to study in the emergency with the article. So वहाँ पे पढ़ना है आपको emergencies with the article. Next one, state and central powers, right. So coordination between state and the central and their powers, right. We have state list, concurrent list, central list, like this. So that list, what are those lists, and what is the importance of making that state and central powers. So directive principles, that you have to remember, right. So that with the articles you have to remember. And last and least, very very important, is Election Commission of India, right. Election Commission of India, you have to remember major, right. Majorly when they have made some changes in the election commission, right. They have reduced the 21A voting age from 21 to 18. In which year? In which amendment act? Okay. One more I have forgotten. Amendment acts you have to remember. Amendments, right. ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ತಿದ್ದುಪಡಿ ಅಂತ, amendments, ठीक है. So amendments आपको पढ़ना है, amendments of the constitution, that's also very important. If possible, study 5-year plan. If possible, study 5-year plan also. 5-year plan also you have to study. Okay. So according to me, these are the important points, right. So according to me, these are the important points to go through your GA, right. You can complete this GA if you study these topics. You can cover up to 45 to 50 marks, right, if you study. Okay, please go through this video and please share this, share our videos to all of your friend circle who require this, right, who are preparing for SSC JEE, SSC JEE. Okay, and please join our Telegram channel, Civil with Sudhir, right. So link is in the description box. Please click on that and join our Telegram channel. Okay friends, bye everyone. Please आज से स्टडी स्टार्ट कीजिए, प्लीज स्टडी ऑल ऑफ यू. You have 3 months time. Okay, within few days I will bring you the study plan for 90 days. Okay, thank you one and all, my dear friends and my dear students.